Hello guys, welcome you all to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to upload the YouTube short to your YouTube channel. Before that I will play my YouTube short video like this. Okay, that is it. If you want to create these types of YouTube shorts fast, automatically, then I have created the video for you. Okay, without further ado, let's dive into the video. To upload the YouTube short to your channel, you have to go to your YouTube channel first. For that, you have to go to youtube.com and I'm going to my YouTube account. As you can see, now I am in my YouTube account. So here I can upload videos for my channel. You can go to the plus camera button which is in the right upper corner like this and click on that. Then you will be given three options, one for upload video, two for go live and three for create post. Here we are going to upload the YouTube short video, so I am clicking on this one. Then you will be redirected to an interface like this. Then you have to select your short file here. So I'm going to click select file. My YouTube short, I have saved my short video in my desktop, so I select, okay, then open, and your short video will be uploaded. The process is as simple as this. You can change the title. I'm not going to change the title here, and you can also write a description about your short, and also you can select the playlist, okay, and you can also add tags for your short video. But the most important thing of a short video is the title. Okay, you can select playlist. I am going to select a playlist, but here is not a playlist for my short video now, so I am going to create a new playlist and I will name this playlist as Obama. And then you can select the visibility. I will set it to public and then create, and I have created a new playlist and then done. And then what you have to do is you have to go to the next page, and there will be, you have two options. I am not going to set it as not made for kids, and then hit the next button. You can add subtitles if you want. I'm going to do it automatically and hit the done. Then also you can add end screen. For that I'm going to click on this. I will add a video and I will select most recent upload, or I can also select best for viewer and then hit the save button. And also if you want, you can add a cart, and also you can select a video for that. I'm going to select card like this, okay, like this, and then hit the save button. Now it is almost done, and hit the next button. Okay. So it will ask again the visibility, and I am going to select public and then hit publish. Now your short video is on the YouTube, right? If your video is less than 60 seconds, then it will automatically created as a YouTube short. I think you have learned the way to upload YouTube shorts to your YouTube channel. And if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.